This 1959 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter is in excellent condition and has been fully refurbished, and it is ready to type. This 1959 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter is in excellent condition, types very well. The finish is in pretty good shape. It's got a few nicks on it. You can kind of see where the paint has been touched up, where there's a nick there in the corner, and on that corner also. The green keys look really good. There's a slight scrape across here. The planting's in good shape. Everything works as it should. There's just a few spots back here too that have been scraped and the paint's been touched up just a little. This typewriter also comes with a reprinted user's manual and its original case, which is in really nice shape. It has been cleaned and is solid and does latch well. I do not have a key for it. This is the 1959 Smith Corona Silent Super Typewriter.